In this lecture, we are going to continue the sweep command. In the previous lecture, we have learned about some basics of sweep command. So we are going to continue this. So if you go to the sweep, so in the sweep you will see we have multiple options of creating the sweep. So we are going to explore about some more options. So let's say I will go to the sketch and here I will select the top plane. Click on sketch view. And here let's say I will draw up a line like this. Give this line the value that is 200 and click OK. Now I will go to datums, curve and click on curve from equation. So basically I'm going to create a curve using any equation. So in the type of coordinate system I'm going to use that is cylindrical system. Click on cylindrical. Here we need to define any equation. So click on edit. Now in cylindrical coordinate we have three references r, theta and z. R is the radius, theta is the angular rotation and z is the height. So we are going to define it. So let's say r, that is 25. Theta is some angle, so we need to give it some reference. So let's say this is theta equal to theta and then equal to, we are going to take some independent parameter that is t space into 180. Because this is angular of rotation, we are going to define as rotation of with respect to 180 degree. And this value of t is going to change from 0 to 1. The z last parameter is, let's say this is t into 200. So you can try to change the values of this parameter. So this t into 200 is going to define the height. And the value of t you can see it is ranging from 0 to 1. So it means total length will be 1. Now I will click OK and let's see how the curve is created. Now you can see it is going to highlight select a coordinate system. So to create this curve we need a coordinate system. I'm going to take the original coordinate system, click on this PRT coordinate system and click OK. And now you can see a curve has been defined. Now what I do is I will select this curve and then go to sweep. If I go to sketch section and here I'm going to draw a circle. So basically I'm going to create a sweep profile. Let's say this value is 20. I need a line from here. So let's say I will draw a line from this point, any point, draw a tangent line here and one more tangent line here. Trim the extra part so I don't need this inside part and click OK. Now you can see the profile has been created. If I click OK from here, you will see this is a constant type of sweep. Now what I want to do is I also want to take reference of second curve we have created. So if you want to select multiple curve as a reference, go to sweep, edit definition. In the trajectory, or you can see as the origin, this line is selected. Hold down the control key in this origin and select this curve also. But right now you can see still the sweep has not been created because we have selected this as a constant sweep. We need to select this as a variable sweep. So after you have selected the variable profile, you can see for this chain 1 second line, there is no trajectory reference. For this, we need to define some reference. It is not going to take the automatic. Here you will see X trajectory. Select this and now you can see it is going to take reference of both the sweeps. So I will click OK and you can see the sweep profile has been created. Also, you can create sweep using the trajectory parameters. So with the trajectory parameter, you can define any dimension as a variable dimension. For example, I will delete everything whatever we have created. Okay, also delete this curve. Now I will go to sketch. Let's say I will select this top face, top plane, sketch. Here I will draw a line. Let's say draw a line like this. This value, let's say this is 10. Zoom in here, click OK. After that I will go to select this line and then I will go to sweep and click on sweep. For this sweep I will go to sketch profile and here let's say I will draw a circle. So this value, let's say this is 2. So right now you can see we have defined the dimension, but now I want to create a variable sweep. To create the variable sweep I will need to go to tools, go to relation. Here I want to define this dimension as a variable dimension. So click on this dimension SD3. Now you can see the dimension SD3 is highlighting. Click on equal. Here we are going to define a trajectory parameter. Let's say this is 2 plus 2 into traj par. So this trajectory parameter is in creo it is treated like a variable. Its value is going to change from 0 to 1. So let's say I will click OK. Once again go to the sketch, click OK and go to the sweep. You can see that nothing is changing. It is creating a constant sweep. Click on variable sweep. You can see now the sweep is variable. It is variably increasing. You can define some more parameter, like you can also define the tangency whenever we have a multiple sweeps are attached to each other. Okay, click OK. Similarly, you can also create higher order trajectory parameter. Right now this is only single order. Go to the sweep, edit and go to the sketch. Okay, so once again I will go to tools, relation. Here right now you can see this is a first order trajectory parameter. We can define this as a second order. To define the second order we need to insert a power 2 here. To insert the power 2, insert 2 bracket, click on this icon power. This is 2. Click OK. In the sketch click OK. In the sweep click OK. Now if you go to any side view, let's say this is right view. Now you can see the section is increasing in a curvature. This is second order equation. So these are different options in the sweep command.